Hello, I'm Dr. Faisal Masood. I am the Medical Director for the Houston Methodist Center for Critical Care and the Program Director for our annual Critical Care Symposium at Houston Methodist.
Hi, I'm Dr. Atiya Dalla, and I'm an intensivist at the surgical ICU here at Houston Methodist. This year, I'm honored to co-direct the Critical Care Symposium with Dr. Faisal Masood. We would like to invite all practitioners of critical care medicine to join us for Houston Methodist's third annual Critical Care Symposium on April 9th and 10th of this year. Whether you are an intensivist like me, or a resident, a fellow, an acute care nurse practitioner, a critical care RN, a physical therapist, a pharmacist, or a respiratory therapist, there will be valuable learning opportunities for everyone.
In the last 12 months, critical care medicine has been in the front lines of the fight against COVID-19 pandemic. In fact, it has been the year of critical care medicine. Leading clinical experts and renowned thought leaders in critical care will join us to share their valuable experiences and unique perspectives on many important issues in treating critically ill patients.
This year, we are pleased to offer an exciting day and a half of didactics covering a wide variety of topics. While most of the presentations will be virtual, we hope to offer a few hands-on workshops subject to all COVID-19 safety precautions. So please set aside April 9th and 10th for this annual opportunity to learn from the leading voices in critical care.
This is your chance to hear about new developments in critical care. Participate in our hands-on workshop and sharpen your ICU skills. We invite you to attend our symposium and gain practical and up-to-date knowledge that you can apply in your ICUs. We also welcome your abstracts. You can find more information on our website. We look forward to seeing you in April.